Paul Ryan and I were absolutely from opposite ends of the political spectrum, but we both shared a desire for government to work and for it to work better and smarter. And thanks to the Evidence Act, we were able to vastly improve how the federal government collects and utilizes data in policy-making decisions, increasing transparency and helping government better deliver for the people it serves.
I don't think that either Patty Murray or I could have ever imagined the growth of the evidence-based policymaking movement in such a short period of time. It has been amazing to see so many rally around the idea that using evidence and data is a better way for the federal government to tackle complex problems.
When the government uses evidence for learning and improvement and to identify what works, we get better outcomes and can make faster progress on the issues that matter most to people across the country.
Over the last 10 years, we've seen a 30-fold increase. That's 30-fold increase in federal grant dollars being directed to evidence-based programs.
There's real opportunity for improvement and in bringing our practices around the use of data and performance management into equity with our understanding what actually works.
How do we evolve our country to a better place where we can have our dialogues and our disagreements in Washington, but we can at least get our minds around a process that leads us to better outcomes and evaluate each and every federal dollar that we spent based on those processes.
One of the things that brings us together, or certainly should bring us together, is investing in those things that are going to have the most impact. And using data and being evidence-based in our policymaking creates that opportunity for people to come together.
The first thing that became really apparent is that we have made a huge amount of progress when it comes to cultivating a culture of evidence inside the federal government. This has happened both through kind of government structures, government practices, but also just in the way people talk about evidence and data. There's a narrative of 10 years ago, we didn't talk about all of this stuff about evaluation, data, evidence very much. And now, as one person said, it's, quote, part of the air we breathe. So already that's a very big change.